Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that as Bitcoin is struggling around 102,000, the entire crypto market today did see an outflow of cash. This presented a very good opportunity for you to buy into your favorite coin. There are some meme coins which I have been paying attention to, such as Dogecoin. If it does fall below 30 cents, that would be a very good buying opportunity, and same thing with Pepe. If it decides to fall under 10, that's going to be a very good buying opportunity for you to hold for the long term. Right now, Pepe is doing well, and if you actually look at another coin which is doing extremely well is Pepe. Now, this was a token that was released by a team not so long ago, and it already has a market cap of $130 million. And from the same devs, there is a new token relating to Pepe that is going to be released very soon, and that's called Wall Street Pepe. They have already raised about $66 million even before the pre-sale comes to an end. Just to give you a perspective, pre-sale is coming to an end very soon, and after that the token will be going live, and obviously the market cap is going to increase drastically. And the fact that this team that has created Pepe is behind this, there is definitely a lot of hope for this token to do extremely well. Just to give you perspective, someone just bought right now as we're talking, so this token is getting a lot of attention. And talking about attention, let's talk about their Twitter. They have about 42,000 followers even before the pre-sale comes to an end, and their post about the token pre-sale starting has over 500,000 views. So they are definitely making a lot of noise. What is this token about? Well, in simple terms, just to give you a little bit of perspective, this token is pretty much Wall Street Pepe hates the whales and hiding in the insider group. So he decided to make his own, join the Pepe token army, Frogs Strong Together. So pretty much it's trying to create a Pepe meme coin which can be used by everyone. Initially, when I made my video on this token, it was under 10 million when the pre-sale just started, and right now it's at 66 million. So from when I made the video, you guys would have already made a 6x. At the end of the day, it's still a meme coin, so make sure you guys do your own research before you decide to buy into it. This is not financial advice, I'm just telling you my opinion. If you do decide to buy right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for a 19% return per annum. Initially it was over 100%, but as more people are buying, obviously the return will go down slowly. Right now 19% is still good, and one Pepe is worth about 0.00036 cents, and that should give you perspective that it's still very early into this project. And once the pre-sale comes to an end, you guys know the speed is going to increase off the price. Pepe was tired of a legacy whales and corrupt coals manipulating the little guys, always bloating their wallets. So now they want to create something that's going to be helping smaller people. The rich frog march together. We just need to stick together and you will be able to make a lot of profit. Frog Street takeover, and then fast lane to fortune. What is the token supply? Well, right now it's sitting close to 200 billion, and obviously over time they will be burning sessions and things like that, so you do need to be paying attention to that. They have a Telegram with about 20,000 subscribers, so there is a lot of people there as well, and their audit is perfectly okay, no problem at all. It's just in a pre-sale stage, so you need to wait and make sure you do your own research before you decide to put into it. But once the contract goes live, obviously everything will be perfect. By the way, if you do want to purchase this token, you can just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You just need to click on buy with card or buy with crypto. Then you guys will just need to go ahead and connect your wallet that you personally use, select how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to put into this token, and then it will be pretty much converted. Don't forget, if you do decide to buy it, stake it away so you can get that 19% return. The last 2 weeks before this token goes live, so you want to ensure that you're able to get into it before it is too late. And you can see on the bottom left, there is a lot of transactions which are still happening with this token as I'm making this video. So there is a lot of people which are willing to pay a lot of money, and once the token is released, the team knows what to do to ensure that they're able to make the most profit for everyone. And keep in mind, at the end of the day, it is a meme coin, so make sure you guys do your own research. This is not financial advice. I say this all the time. I like to just share with you what I believe is going to be doing well and what has a good backup plan. That's what I'm going to say. And especially right now, the entire market is in a really interesting state. so it could be a perfect time for you to get into your buying opportunity. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.